What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another truck video for you. Today we are going to be doing a fun little project that just about anyone can do, and it's pretty simple. Today we have some wheel spacers that we're going to be throwing on the truck. They are 2 inches. I don't know if that's going to be too much or not, but we're going to find out in today's video. I will be getting back to stocks hopefully this weekend. I'll do like a little recap or something. But until then, let's work on these trucks. Stick around to the end if you want to see those before and after photos. Alrighty, guys. So the first thing you're going to want to get is your jack, a block for the tires. We have an air gun and something to pull your hubcaps off with, and your stands. And that's about it. Doesn't take much tools to do this. I'm just going to jack up one side at a time and do this. So we're going to start with this side and jack that up first. From here, we're going to take the wheels off. That's about enough of that. Alright, so I had a little issue getting the bolts off thanks to spraying a ton of plastic dip on them last week. I kind of thought that would be a problem, but you live and learn. Alright, first things first, fronts go on the back. Normally I would cross the backs to the front, but I'm just going to throw them on the front. Front to the backs, back to the front. So now that we got our wheel spacer, we got our tires off, and we're ready to put this on. Let me give you a closer look. You can see we got new lugs up here, right? And then your old lugs are going to go in that hole, in case you were wondering. We got those bolted on, tightened up. We're going to slap our tires back on and put the outer lugs back on, and we'll see how it looks. Alrighty, guys, so that's one side done. Probably can't tell from that angle too much, but it made quite a difference. They fit a lot nicer than I thought they were going to be. I thought they were going to be super wide and I was going to be looking real funny. But I think they look good where they're at. I gotta hurry, the rain is a-coming. Currently hailing, but I gotta get these last two on. We're almost done. Woo! Alrighty guys, so we got them all done. It did start raining like crazy and hailing and everything, so I just powered through and I got it done real quick, and I didn't show too much of that. But I appreciate you guys watching my video. If you haven't given this video a like, please give this video a like and go subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. They are very helpful to me and it is much appreciated. Stick around. I have some before and after photos.